Today in crypto. Bitcoin officially hits new all-time high above $65,000. Bitcoin, BTC, surged to new all-time highs this week, breaking the former ceiling of $64,900 from April as the asset went into price discovery mode before topping out around $67,000. The bullish momentum coincided with the successful launch of ProShares Bitcoin futures-based exchange-traded fund (ETF). Many onlookers are expecting the price to increase in the coming weeks and months, with the more optimistically inclined even suggesting that up to $300,000 is possible in the near future. ProShares Bitcoin linked ETF launches on NYSE. Coinbase, Nasdaq Coin, announces multi-year partnership with NBA and WNBA. Mariah Carey buys Bitcoin, hopes to empower fans through education. Brazilian toddler makes over 6,500% profit on her first Bitcoin holding. Traders brace for a drop to $58,000 if Bitcoin price loses the $62,000 support. New York businesses ask governor to deny permits for crypto mining. NYAG directs 2 crypto firms to shut down, investigates 3 others. Senators pressure Facebook, Nasdaq FB, to immediately discontinue Novi Wallet's pilot. The crypto industry royally screwed up privacy. Lush sucks, a decade of ass-whooping and skullduggery in a single NFT. Bitcoin futures ETFs, good, but not quite there. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Social media platform Reddit appears to be hiring workers to support the design, build and maintenance of a non-fungible token, NFT, platform. According to a Greenhouse job posting, Reddit is looking for a senior back-end engineer for a platform responsible for millions of users to create, buy, sell and use NFT-backed digital goods. The position requires at least 5 years of experience in back-end development as well as the ability to design and implement complex distributed systems operating under high load. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, have both witnessed aggressive profit booking after hitting their respective new all-time high. This suggests that traders who had bought on rumors of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund booked profits following the successful launch of the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy exchange-traded fund, ETF, BITO. The bulls tried to stage a recovery in Bitcoin after the launch of the second BTC futures-linked ETF by digital asset manager Valkyrie on October 22 but met with strong selling pressure at higher levels. The selling has pulled the greed level on the crypto fear and greed index from 84 on October 21 to 75 on October 22. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. In her monthly expert take column, Selva Ozelli, an international tax attorney and CPA, covers the intersection between emerging technologies and sustainability, and provides the latest developments around taxes, AML/CFT regulations and legal issues affecting crypto and blockchain. Lately, news headlines are focused on regulators' concerns over the lack of investor protections in the cryptocurrency market, which has ballooned to more than $2 trillion. And the possible risks to financial stability. Selva Ozelli, Esquire, CPA, is an international tax attorney and certified public accountant who frequently writes about tax, legal and accounting issues for tax notes, Bloomberg BNA other publications and the OECD. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. It seems that everyone, from corporate behemoths like Visa, NYSE, and Anheuser-Busch to socialite Paris Hilton and NBA legends Michael Jordan and Kevin Durant, has recognized the growing importance of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for the 21st century economy. World-renowned artists, athletes and musicians have been cashing in on the craze, lending legitimacy to this new use of technology that allows for ownership of a wide array of digital assets. But the true test of this innovation will not be how it helps the wealthy perpetuate their positions of power, but rather how NFTs can promote human rights and other public goods. James Cooper is a professor of law at California Western School of Law in San Diego. He has advised governments in Asia, Latin America and North America for more than 2.5 decades on legal reform and disruptive technologies. Peter Grazel is a recent graduate of California Western School of Law and passed the February 2021 California State Bar examination. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.